in class 10 chemistry. We will start with the acidic properties of sulfuric acid, define reaction related with that acidic property, and now so we will start with the acidic properties of sulfuric acid and reaction with oxide, carbonate, bicarbonate, sulfate, sulfite. So let's start with the acidic properties of sulfuric acid.
So today we will start with the acidic properties of dilute sulfuric acid. So it starts with the what happens when different metals are treated with dilute sulfuric acid. That is when dilute sulfuric acid react with different metals that are above hydrogen in the metal activity series, except calcium, barium, lead. H2 gas is liberated and salt of corresponding metal form. Mg plus H2SO4 change into MgSO4 plus H2, Zn plus H2SO4 change into ZnSO4 plus H2. All reactions are taking place with the dilute H2SO4. Now, why are metals like calcium, barium, and lead not used to prepare H2 gas using dilute H2SO4? Because when dilute sulfuric acid react with metal such as calcium, barium, or lead, an insoluble coating of calcium sulfate CaSO4, barium sulfate, or lead sulfate forms on the surface of respective metal, which hinders the reaction to proceed further. Now, if we see the reaction with dilute H2SO4 with different bases, then metal oxide or metal hydroxide react with dilute sulfuric acid, then it will form as sulfate salt and water, that is CuO plus H2SO4 change into CuSO4 plus H2O, ZnO plus H2SO4, then also ZnSO4 plus H2O, Na2O plus H2SO4, then also change into Na2SO4 plus H2O. If hydroxide react, then MgOH whole twice plus H2SO4 change into MgSO4 plus 2H2O, or ZnOH whole twice plus H2SO4 change into ZnSO4 plus 2H2O. So now if we see the reaction of dilute H2SO4 with ammonia or ammonium hydroxide solution, then dilute sulfuric acid react with ammonia to form ammonium sulfate, that is 2NH3 plus H2SO4 dilute, then change into NH4 twice SO4. When dilute sulfuric acid react with ammonium hydroxide solution, it forms ammonium sulfate along with water, that is 2NH4OH plus H2SO4 change into NH4 twice SO4 plus 2H2O. So these are the reaction when dilute H2SO4 react with NH3 and ammonium hydroxide. Now what happens when dilute sulfuric acid react with metal carbonate or bicarbonate? Then also when dilute H2SO4 react with metal carbonate or bicarbonate, it forms the corresponding metal sulfate along with the formation of carbon dioxide gas and water. That is ZnCO3 plus H2SO4 change into ZnSO4 plus CO2 plus H2O, or Na2CO3 change into H2SO4 react with this, then Na2SO4 plus CO2 plus H2O, or 2NaHCO3 plus H2SO4 change into Na2SO4 plus 2CO2 plus 2H2O. When dilute sulfuric acid react with metal sulfide, then actually it forms the corresponding metal sulfate along with the liberation of hydrogen sulfide gas, that is MgS plus H2SO4 change into MgSO4 plus H2S, FeS plus H2SO4 change into FeSO4 plus H2S, or ZnS plus H2SO4 change into ZnSO4 plus H2S. When metal sulfite or bisulfite react with dilute H2SO4, then actually react as metal sulfite and bisulfite react with sulfuric acid to form metal sulfate, sulfur dioxide, and water, like MgSO3 plus H2SO4 change into MgSO4 plus SO2 plus H2O, and ZnSO3 plus H2SO4 change into ZnSO4 plus SO2 plus H2O, or 2NaHSO3 plus H2SO4 change into Na2SO4 plus 2SO2 plus 2H2O. So these are the reaction actually taking place with the bisulfite. So today up to that, next we will start with the another topic.